would you rate that?
That was much better.
1 to 10.
I know. A 2.
2 out of 10?
Mike, continue down the runway. Actually, that's fine.
One being
Left
the
golf
best.
approved. And contact ground 1 to 1.7. Y'all take care.
Clear prop.
San Diego ground Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike Bravo Bravo with information Quebec, taxi to the Actos.
November 130 Juliet Mike Van Nuys ground control, runway 16 left, taxi via Bravo Charlie.
16 left via Bravo Charlie, 0 Juliet Mike.
Ground 313 Alpha Romeo ready taxi, signature west with the info.
And I missed the call sign at signature west?
313 Alpha Romeo.
November 313 Alpha Romeo, Van Nuys ground control. Runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Papa, hold short of runway 16 right at Papa.
Alpha Papa to 16 right and hold short of 16 right at Papa for Alpha Romeo.
November 1882 Sierra, Van Nuys ground control, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie. Use caution for a aircraft under tow going into the blast fence.
Out there. Fuel selector's on the left, which is fine.
All right, the aircraft out of Clay Lake, give me the call sign.
Seatbelts, yep, seatbelts on.
Yep.
Okay, flaps are down. Trim tab, normal.
Is another aircraft that called?
Controls are free, watch your knees. Up. Looks good.
November 8531 Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, departure from
Radios, leave that where it is. Transponder is set. Any other fan, make sure the fan is off, which it is.
Van Nuys Tower, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, at Charlie 16 left, ready for departure. We'll be requesting a Burbank transition to the east.
Number 130 Juliet Mike, Van Nuys Tower, have your request, stand by. Number 130 Juliet Mike, runway 16 left, for takeoff, squawk 0264. Requesting copy pattern.
You were partially blocked. What was the squawk code for 0 Juliet Mike?
0264.
0264 on the squawk, clear for takeoff, 16 left, 130 Juliet Mike.
Number 274, turn base.
Wing up 274.
Number 618 Delta Hotel, Van Nuys Tower, taxi full length.
Taxi full length, Delta Hotel.
Okay, full power.
November 36 Manor, number 2 follow
Looks good.
left base of the Veterans Hospital.
Went slightly from the right.
Number 2, we're looking for 69.
Engine gauges are all in the green. Airspeed's live, order 50. 55.
Archer 130 Juliet Mike, turn left for the Fashion Square now. Out of below 2000, contact Burbank Tower 118.7. Turn left now, traffic is departing 16 right southeastbound citation.
Turning left and remaining out of below 2,000 feet over to Burbank, 0 Juliet Mike.
Looking out for that 733 Hotel.
Burbank Tower 130 Juliet Mike with you to 1900 over the 101.
November 130 Juliet Mike, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 3007, radar contact, transition approved.
Transition Transition approved, 0 Juliet Mike.
November 0 Juliet Mike, roger, say requested flight following, or say your flight following request.
VFR to Redlands, 0 Juliet Mike.
And you want to stay at 25?
For now, due to the cloud deck.
November 0 Juliet Mike, roger, traffic 9 to 10 o'clock and 3 miles, parallel course going to El Monte. At 3,000 feet is an RV6.
All right, keep our eyes open for traffic, 0 Juliet Mike.
November 0 Juliet Mike, continue eastbound. Let SoCal know you're looking for the RV. Contact them now, 124.6.
24-6, 0 Juliet Mike, good day.
Delta, approved as requested. Before you go, traffic 3 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound, 2,500 Cherokee.
I'll keep an eye out, 30 Delta. SoCal Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, looking out for the RV. We're at 2.5.
130 Juliet Mike, SoCal approach, roger. You're staying at 2,500 or are you climbing?
2,500 for now, if that works for you, 0 Juliet Mike.
Roger. Remember 0 Juliet Mike, I'm probably going to lose radios with you here in the next few miles. Contact El Monte Tower on 121.2 for transition. I'll hand you off to the next sector.
Low, more than 10
All right, sounds good. 121.20, 0 Juliet Mike. El Monte Tower, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, beam the Rose Bowl, 2,500 feet.
Number 130 Juliet Mike, El Monte Tower, enter right base over the 210 freeway. Report the Santa Anita racetrack.
Sorry about that. We just got handed off, and we'll be transitioning through the area eastbound to Redlands.
Number 0 Juliet Mike, transition approved. The El Monte altimeter 3006. Transition approved to eastbound. Remain over the 210 freeway for now at or above 1,800.
Okay, remaining over the 210 at or above 1,800, 0 Juliet Mike.
Number 0 Juliet Mike, thank you. Our radar services are down currently. You can contact departure on 125.5.
25.5, 0 Juliet Mike today. SoCal approach Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, 2,500 on our way to Redlands.
Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, SoCal approach. Good morning. The Ontario altimeter is 3006. I have no landing or weather information available for Redlands. And Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, you plan on staying there at 2,500?
Affirmative for the cloud deck. If that works for you, 0 Juliet Mike.
That's fine, sir. I just wanted to be able to plan ahead there.
Traffic, 12 o'clock. Same altitude, 2 miles.
I see him.
You do?
And Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, traffic is turning southeastbound now, 3,000.
We have traffic in sight, 0 Juliet Mike.
Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, you can resume on navigation. Contact Ontario Tower 120.6 for transition. Let them know you have that traffic.
Wilco 0 Juliet Mike. Good day.
Good day.
Traffic, 11 o'clock.
Ontario
Low,
Tower,
less
Cherokee
than 1 mile.
130 Juliet Mike, 2.7 transitioning, and we have traffic at our 10 o'clock.
0
0
miles.
Juliet Mike, radar contact a mile north, Montclair Place. And where are you headed?
Redlands, 0 Juliet Mike.
0 Juliet Mike, roger. Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, contact SoCal approach 127.0.
27-0, 0 Juliet Mike, good day. SoCal approach, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, beam the east side of Ontario, 3,000 feet.
Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, SoCal, Ontario altimeter 3006. Ident advised prior to descent.
There's your ident. We'll advise before descending, 0 Juliet Mike.
5 Foxtrot Papa, contact LA Center 125.27. Have a good day.
So it's a racetrack?
2527, 5 Foxtrot, thanks.
That is the Pomona, I think it's a speedway, but I don't know which one it really is. I mean, it is a racing track, but...
Yeah, there's cars racing on it right now.
California Speedway is what it is.
Yes, sir, we are. Vector 726, contact San Bernardino Tower 119.45. Have a great day.
That's pretty cool.
Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, radar services terminated, squawk maintained VFR, contact San Bernardino Tower 119.45 if you plan on transitioning their Class Delta airspace. Have a good day.
119.45 over to San Bernardino, squawking VFR. Have a good day. San Bernardino Tower, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, requesting transition through airspace landing Redlands 3,000 feet.
Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, San Bernardino Tower, altimeter 3005. Understand you want to transition to Redlands. Say your position.
We're approximately 5 miles from San Bernardino.
Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, roger. Transition to Redlands approved. Remain north of the runway and then east of the 210 when you make it around.
Remain north of the runway, and we'll be following the 210 to Redlands 0 Juliet Mike.
Roger.
All of a sudden, clouds break up.
I know, I was just noticing that.
San Bernardino 0 Juliet Mike, we have Redlands in sight.
Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, frequency change approved.
All right, frequency change approved. Talk to you later, 0 Juliet Mike.
Redlands traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, Yellow Archer. We're on a long 45, inbound out of San Bernardino, runway 26, Redlands.
And Redlands traffic, 14 Quebec Romeo, just took off 26, and we're going to be starting off to the northwest to climb it to 2,000 level.
Redlands traffic, 130 Juliet Mike has the outbound traffic on our right wing. We'll be turning 45 to our right downwind, 26 Redlands.
Quebec Romeo has that inbound traffic inside, no factor, thank you.
Slow it down, landing checklist, lights, master, mixture, primers locked. Fuel is on the right, seatbelt.
Yep.
You gotta slow it down quite a bit. Redlands traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, base to final 26, full stop, Redlands. There we are, floating. Oh, don't score that that landing, please. Redlands traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, clear the active, taxi to transit parking. Redlands.
If I'm alone, will you take my hand? Will you stand by me in the pouring rain with my seven sins, my contraband, and the vanity that still remains? I'm going gone to Gonsville. I'm going gone to Gonsville. Gone to Gonsville, I'm gone. Oh, the way, hey, 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 thunder. Here comes the rain. Hear that whistle moan. Here comes the misery train. Well, they said it might rain forever. Well, it sure can't rain on me. I'm about to get gone. I'm about to be free. I'm going gone. Gainesville, I'm going gone. Gainesville, going gone. Gainesville, I'm going.
How would you rate that?
That was much better.
1 to 10.
I don't, a 2.
2 out of 10?
Juliet, Mike, continue down the runway. Actually, that's fine.
One being the best.
Approved. And contact ground 121.7. Y'all take care.
Wait, you got the ratings all mixed up.
Oh,
That was not a 2 out of 10. If anything, I'd say.
Wait. Is 10 the best?
Of course, 10's the
best.
best.
I thought one was the best.
When is 1 ever the best?
Oh my God, what a cute plane that is.
I'm still trying to get over this rating you gave me.
Well, I got it wrong. It would have been a 9.
Clearly. Oh, thank you. Okay. It's all good.
I just got it backwards.